Boo! Happy Halloween, McBride students. It is your host, Mr. Jack-O-Lantern Jark. I have my Jack-O-Lantern t-shirt on. I've got my wild blue hair. I got my glasses. I've got a nice little costume going here. If you have a costume that you're excited to wear for Halloween, go ahead and put it on for today's PE workout. Might add a little fun to it, okay? Anyways, I hope you like my Halloween setup for you today. I've got the bat lights, I've got the pumpkins, I've got the trick-or-treating baskets, I've got a couple of other items. We are Halloweened out here in the gym, and it's a very spooky gym, and I'm your very spooky PE instructor today, and I'm very excited that you're here to join me. Let's take a minute today before we start to work on our spookiest Halloween laughs that we can come up with, okay? We'll do a few of them. I'm gonna get started here. Here's one. Mwah, ha, ha, ha. That was okay, but I think I can do better. Here we go, let's try that again. Hope you're doing yours too. Be nice and loud, be nice and spooky. Mwah, ha, ha, ha. It wasn't much better. Here we go. Here we go, Mr. Jack-O-Lantern Jark. Here we go. Whoa! That was a little better. That was a little bit better. I'm going to try one more time, okay? Hope your guys' is improving each time. Here we go. It's kind of like a whole body movement. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to go with that one as the winner. I hope your Halloween laugh is super spooky, and hang tight with me, and we'll get on to our warm-ups here in a second. If you have a Halloween costume you'd like to have on while we do this today, if you'd like to dim your lights, go ahead and we can have some serious spooky Halloween fun. All right, guys, warm-up time. If you happen to have a darker space wherever it is that you're watching, might be kind of fun to dim those lights. And if you have a flashlight, that could add to some fun as well. Okay, I actually have another light that I'm going to turn on, and it's going to be quite a bit brighter. Woohoo! There it is. Look at that. Good thing I got my shades on, because that light is very bright. Okay. All right. So we're going to get warmed up Halloween style. If you have this setup going on, a dark room and a flashlight, you'll notice that there is a serious shadow behind me, and it's kind of creepy because it's doing the same thing that I'm doing, and I'm not too sure about that, okay? But if I stand this way, I can actually watch that big shadow, and I can watch every move that it's making, okay? So if you guys turn, you can look at your own shadow. Kind of neat, okay? At least I think it's my shadow. Okay, so we're going to see if this shadow here does the same thing that I do for the warm-up, okay? Here we go. Jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tell you what, that shadow's keeping up. That shadow's keeping up. See if he does the same thing I'm doing here. Whew. Whew. How about a dab? Another one. Whew. Another one. Whew. Tell you what, he is doing it. Look at this. Join in. Do it with me. Tell you what, that shadow is a great follower. Okay, next one. Let's run in place. Here we go. Trying to run away from that shadow. He's too fast. He's keeping up. Ah! He's catching me. And stop. Very good. All right, let's swing the arms forward. And swing them backwards. And just make sure that shadow's still doing the same thing. All right. Let's go. Do it with me now. To the left. To the right. To the left. To the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. All right, now, let's see if that thing knows how to dance, okay? You guys ready? I don't know how to dance, but looks like it does. Do your crazy dance, crazy arms, crazy arms. All right. Excellent job with the warm-up today, guys. We will continue our spooky Halloween PE, and stay tuned. All right, guys, your Halloween joke of the day. Do you know why skeletons are always so calm? Because nothing can get under their skin. All right, guys, your health tip of the day. Kind of talked one time about how nature is very good for you, emotionally, mentally, physically, everything. Another one that is kind of similar is laughter, okay? Having a sense of humor about things, laughing about things is a great stress relief, very good for us, very good for our mental health. And so make sure you're laughing, okay? So here we go. Let's practice that spooky laugh again. They say even fake laughing can stimulate things. So here we go. Keep laughing, guys. Okay, folks, real quick here, getting a few exercises to make sure that we are ready for trick-or-treat training, okay? This year will probably look a little bit different in the trick-or-treating world. Many of you probably won't be able to do it as normal, but I'm sure you'll still find a way to get your hands on a little bit of candy and get your hands on some type of trick-or-treating bucket or something like that. Any kind of bucket, any kind of bag, of course, holds candy just fine. Unfortunately, you know, we'll be disappointed that we won't be going out doing it as normal, but maybe you have some type of plan where you'll get to do a little bit of something special, okay? But I still got to have you trick-or-treat training. It would be a shame to not get it done, okay? So I got my trick-or-treat buckets here, and I'm going to add a little weight. These are full Gatorade bottles full of water, and I'm going to put it in there, and I want to make sure that when the time comes, you know, maybe even if it's next year, that I can handle the weight of all that candy that I'm going to acquire, and you know, I don't want to run out of gas out there halfway through the night when I got buckets full of candy, okay? So we need to train for that, all right? Here we go. Doing some curls. Making sure those arms are up for the candy challenge. Nice work. well-trained trick-or-treaters you guys will be whenever that time comes. And here we go. We're going out. Never know when a smaller kid's going to walk by and you got to lift up your trick-or-treat bag over their head. You don't want to hit them, so you got to make sure you got the strength in the shoulders to get that candy up and over that other kid out there on the sidewalk. Good. Shake them out a little bit. You never start training too early, even if things are a long ways away. Here we go. Let's go straight ahead. I'll turn the faces to you. All right, great job, guys. A little candy power training, and you guys will be ready to go. Whether it's for next year or whatever, we're going to be ready to handle that candy when the time comes. Hope you are enjoying the lesson so far. This portion of the lesson is called the candy cleanup. Okay, so I'm going to need you to get. You can get a bunch of random small items, or you could. They could all be the same type. I'm going to put out a bunch of random, different, softer little balls here, and they're going to represent my candy. Okay, and my spilled candy that I'm going to need to clean up. And you guys can use anything, okay? But it's going to need to be something that will fit in your bucket or your bag, whatever you choose to use there, wherever you're doing this, okay? And even if, something as simple as if you had like 20 to 30 coins, okay? Something like that. Or if you do have a bunch of different toys that would work that are smaller, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to scatter those, okay? I'm going to tilt this screen just a little bit. There you be. It's hard to see there. I didn't notice right away. I'm going to scatter these. All right. And I've got my trick-or-treat bucket. Just realized that I might need two. I got a small bucket and I've got a lot of these, so I'm going to grab my other bucket as well. In case I need an extra, okay, which I'm sure I will. So you guys make sure that whatever objects you're using, they're going to fit in the bag or the bags or the bucket or the buckets that you have, and we'll get this underway, okay? Here we go. Very simple game. When I say go, okay, you are going to pick up every item that you have laid out and do it as fast as possible, okay? Something that you could do if you had someone else around that would want to time you, you sure could, okay? Otherwise, this first one here, let's just do it at the same time, and let's just pick them up as fast as we can, okay? I've got probably about 25 to 30 items out here, okay? And so I don't have mine in a very wide area, okay? So I should be able to do it pretty fast, okay? This is working your quickness and candy cleanup. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Oh. Oh boy, need my other bucket? Done! Got it. Oh, looks like one did fall out of here. There it was. Hope you guys got yours all cleaned up, okay? So we're going to do it again, okay? So go ahead, scatter that candy, whatever candy you're using. All right. This time I'm going to count while I do it, okay? So we'll get a read on how long it's taking you. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, hopefully you were able to get it all done by 30. Okay, I believe mine was 16, if I remember saying that correctly. Okay, my seconds might be a little slow, but I'm saying them at the same pace for all of us. So, okay, let's do that one more time. And remember your number. I got 16. I'm going to try to do it faster than that this time. We'll see if I can. Tough to know. Okay. All right, guys. Get those hands ready. Get your quickness ready. And ready. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice job. Hopefully you beat your record. I believe I got 14 that time, 16 the first time, so a little bit faster if my counting was precise, okay? So I was excited about that. Now this time, this one's going to be for fun. Fun little addition. All right, I think you guys are going to like this one. We'll see how it goes. This one, I'm going to hold both my buckets, and you'll understand why in a second, okay? This time, we are going to do this with our eyes closed, okay? So, I'm going to count, and I won't really know if I end up getting them all, okay? But at the end of 30 seconds, we'll be done, and we'll see if you were able to get them all. Please don't peek, okay? Make sure there's nothing around you or you're going to hurt yourself, okay? And close your eyes for the whole time and try to collect all that candy. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh! I didn't quite get it, guys. I left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out there, and but hey, I did okay. That was kind of fun. That was more fun than I expected. I think it was so fun, I think I want to do it one more time. Okay? I thought we were only going to do it once, but I kind of want to see if I can get closer to all of them. So go ahead and spread your candy out. And we'll give this another shot. Okay? Here we go. Obviously, the closer you have it all, the easier it's going to be. The more it's spread out, the more challenging it's going to be. So if you got them all, pat yourself on the back. If you didn't get them all, pat yourself on the back anyway. And if you did get them all, maybe make it a little harder, spread them out a little further. Okay? All right. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh! Bad news, guys. It looks like I got them all. But if you look over here in the corner of my screen, there is one. You can barely see it. Whoop! There he is. So I did miss out on one. He got me. Same color as my hair. So I hope you enjoyed that. You could do that one some more if you would like. Okay. Would be kind of fun with the lights off too. Didn't mention that. But anyways, hope you're enjoying the Halloween activities. And stay tuned to what's next. Boom! Okay, guys, let's continue this here, and we will this time get a little light here. Ooh, there it is. This next portion is going to be on your own, okay? And it might be something you're able to do right at this moment, or you might have to wait to do it a little bit. But if you do have anybody else around with you sometime throughout the day, or if you do right now, that's great, okay? You can even play a very small version of this, okay? But find a couple of flashlights if you have them, okay? It might take you a bit to track a few down. I know whenever I look for a flashlight, I don't always know where they are, okay? But a little flashlight tag, okay? So you don't need to touch anybody, okay? You can play it with anybody that's at home and interested, okay? And just get a dark room, okay? And make sure you're being careful. And you can do some flashlight tag, okay? So one person has their flashlight on, okay? Or however you could do multiple, but it's kind of fun with just one. Whoever it has a flashlight and they are trying to spot you with the flashlight. If they get you in the light, okay, then they're it. You can give them the flashlight and it's their turn. So you are looking, searching, Mr. Jack-o'-lantern Jark, where are you? And boom, they got me, okay? And so they'd give me this, and then I would be searching for the next person who's it with the flashlight, okay? So a flashlight tag, okay? Little fun game for you to play. If it works out right now, that's great. If not, one that you have put away for a time later in the day or another day, okay? So anyways, enjoy this game. I'm gonna put the 5-minute timer, and then I'll I'll say goodbye at the end, and if you're able to play it during the timer, that is great. When you hear my voice come back on, hey, that means ding, ding, ding. Your PE lesson is complete. Okay, so enjoy it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the lesson today. I hope that you had fun. I hope that you maybe found a costume of some kind. The great part about Halloween, your costume doesn't have to make any sense at all, right? Just dressing wild and crazy can make it a lot of fun, okay? So have yourself a great day and be safe.